guys, so I'm here to tell my story. I booked a microlink consultation for today. I booked the appointment yesterday. I found this hairstylist on Instagram, and not a lot of professional. First of all, microlinks is not done commonly, and most people don't do microlinks on short hair. So when I saw that I've seen her do it on Pixies, I'm like, okay, cool, let me go in for a consultation. Now, I was already hesitant because the only appointment she had was for the next day. And as you probably know, booking next day, sometimes it's like, oh, I hope they see it. So I booked it anyway because I'm reliable, right? But I got a call at 12:40 that I missed because I had the wrong phone number on my style seat profile. Now, the appointment has been canceled. I have not talked to the professional. I've never been to her before, but like, this is one of my grievances with the beauty industry right now, especially when it comes to Black consumers. Like, I feel like we don't get good customer service, and I can take accountability, right? Like, she tries to call, I missed the call, but at the same time, it's like, if I went to the trouble of going to your website, seeing the way you book, the appointment was open and booked it, and I don't get communication until 20 minutes before, now I'm on the short end of the stick. And not only that, I was talking to a friend the other day, and basically it feels like a lot of beauty professionals they have a monopoly on the industry, right? Like, if you know you're good at your craft, you can have like the most basic customer service skills and still do really well. And that is a problem for consumers. So I'm saying all that to say, I feel like that is one of the reasons why I created my app called The Black Book. My hope is that in the long term, it helps to bring checks and balances to the system where supply and demand is better mitigated, because the businesses see that there's demand for services and they can go to other people. But with the way the industry is set up right now, it's almost like there's a lack of supply and demand. So it's like, if you find somebody good, you be having to like cater to them, I don't know. So at this point, I'm like kind of frustrated because I'm out here looking crazy. My hair looks crazy. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my hair for my birthday, and at this point I'm just irritated. I'm like, do I need to go find a new person? Like, it's just a whole process. So I don't have a solution, but my goal is that with my app, we can help to reduce some of these friction points, because on one hand, I see the issues that businesses face, like they're juggling so many different tasks when it comes to like operations or the systems that they use. Sometimes they need more support, but then on the customer end, it's just like, where do you go for good service? And the people who have good service, they're so booked up that they can do things like cancel last minute appointments for new clients because they don't really need your dollar. So let me know in the comments, have you had an experience similar to this? Do you agree with me? Do you feel like there's a lack of checks and balances with the beauty industry, especially with Black hair care?